So we're back and we are preparing the ground meat and adding the seasonings that's necessary. We add a little paprika, add a little cumin, some garlic, and some special seasoning for the meat. And then we're just gonna stir it all up for a minute, and then we're gonna let it percolate for a minute, let it cook and get brown, and then stirring occasionally so it all evens on up, and then we'll be on to our next step. This is a layered dish. Kelley's casserole is. You just do one layer at a time and put it in the oven, and it'll all come as one. So the first layer is Fritos. Ain't nothing like some good old Fritos. Pop them open. Now I suppose you can use whatever, tortilla chips you might like. But we use Fritos. That's what we grew up on. Fritos. We can use a little more. Kind of try and cover the bottom a little bit. Get some for the wipes. And you can put as much as you want. So then we will add the ground meat. Be careful because it's a little hot. In fact, I'm going to use it a little easier to manage. See how that my wife used to pick when she's more seasoned than I am in things. So I'm not as technical. Try to drain your ground meat. As much as possible. So the next layer is cheese. Any kind of cheese that you like. Cool. Nice layer. I got Fiesta cheese right here. Y'all like whatever you like, whatever kind of sides of shred you like. Okay, after you done added one layer of Fritos and one layer of ground meat, and then you add cheese, then you add a can of cream of mushroom soup. And also spread it the best you can because it sticks to the cheese. And next you add, if this is an optional thing, you can add cream of celery. After you add the cream of mushroom and your cream of celery, then you add pinto beans. You can add kidney beans. Kind of spread a little, so you're having a batch of everything. Now we're adding green enchilada sauce on this one. Now I'm just adding, last but not least, some more mozzarella cheese. Now that we added all the layers, put full on it so cheese won't burn on it. This should be the final product. Cheese should be melted. Man, I am hungry now. Just take a little bit.